All right, guys, today we got something special. We're getting to the mystery machine. Man, I gotta get, my nephew had my little truck, man. Gotta get my window fixed, bro. It's not, the little wire in there broke. Gotta get that fixed. But today we're doing the catch and clean and cook. So, catch and cook, but instead of doing a regular catch and cook, I got that Eco, I'm gonna say Delta 2000 Max. And I'm going, instead of using like traditional cooking catch, I'm going to use the Ninja. This is the air fryer and oven. Use my electric knife. Got my fishing rods back there. Chairs. So we're gonna run and gun today, guys. I'm gonna be live on TikTok. So I changed my TikTok name, so follow me. I'm gonna put this on YouTube, upload it to Facebook and stuff, guys. So follow us, guys. We're gonna do some run and gun. Get out there about 10 o'clock. Got a late start because my son missed the bus, but catch, cook, and clean today, man. We ready for it.